It is freaking hot. Hey, what's up guys? We're over here in Barstow and it is freaking hot. It is, what day is today?
It's 9/11.
It's 9/11. It's an important day today, huh?
Yeah.
We're out here with our boys from the high desert. We got Kenny with the amazing white, pretty much trophy truck, we're just gonna call it. We got Nick Hill out here with Frankenstein Ranger. And we got Justin with the Jeep Speed, which is super cool. I'm sure you guys are gonna be stoked to see that. We're out here with the boys. We're gonna have a good time today. Try to check out some cool new spots and some old spots and see how everybody does, see how the trucks do. Clark, you're gonna help me film today, right?
Yeah.
What do you wanna see them do if they're driving?
Maybe like go up that hill trail right there.
Do you wanna see them jump or anything?
Yeah.
Cool. Hey, do you hear something coming? It's a trophy truck racer, dude. The cool thing about Barstow is there's always other teams, always other people out here. Today's no different. There's some trophy truck testing going on. Let's enjoy this day, man. It's September, but it feels like July. It is freaking hot as hell.
I'm baking like a toasted cheese here. It's so hot here.
All right guys, so the day's going pretty good. We found some roadside stuff. We're actually gonna be hitting this jump for the Clean Desert Cleanup November 6th. It's gonna be over here, so it's a pretty safe jump for everybody to participate in. That's one we just filmed right now. You like filming this section, huh?
Yeah, this is one of my favorite sections in Barstow, actually.
You've got some bangers here, huh?
Yeah, a few.
A couple, huh?
Yeah,
He did
get
it.
some more though.
He's such a humble guy. He got some bangers of Darren and Casey through here. We should cut to some of those right there. there goes Kenny. We're trying to find some stuff. It is hot as hell. Clark is filming, huh?
Yeah.
How do you like it, dude?
It's awesome.
You getting some good shots?
Yep, it's really fun.
Right on, dude. So we're gonna head on over to /X right now. There's a couple sections that are pretty cool over there from the race course. Let's see what we can find, you guys. So this is gonna be Clark's first time riding in this thing, in a link truck. How do you feel? Thumbs up? All right. Lord, keep my son safe. Hope I can keep his mom from watching this. Somehow I'll find some sort of way to like shadow ban her. Something. All right. Well, son, he's been bugging all day to ride in these in one of these things, so I think he's good. All right, let's get it. Well, guys, we're at /X, and this is the Desert Oasis right now. Clark, how was your ride, little man?
Way better than the Jeep ride. It was awesome.
Did you guys get going pretty fast?
Yeah, it was really fast.
How did it sound in there? Pretty loud?
Yeah,
So is
loud.
Nick Hill a pretty good driver?
Yeah.
He's a pretty good driver?
Yeah, he is.
All right. You got approved.
Yeah.
How was it taking that trail by the, basically like a UTV trail by the road, man? Oh. How was it?
Motocross whoops, so it was very chattery and very tight for a full size.
Bushes everywhere.
Bushes everywhere, tag the fender. And
yes.
It was fun trail.
All right, I think it's time to eat, man.
Never has there been a more prodigious display of competitive eating. The amount of calories being consumed is astounding.
So Nick's gonna go on a ride in this thing, and we'll see if he needs a change of underpants afterward. Overall, guys, everybody was good today. No drama, no accidents, a couple little broken parts here and there, but for the most part, everybody kept it together. This was Clark's first film trip. How was it, dude?
It was great.
If you guys think Clark should join us more, you guys can comment below. But thank you guys so much. Thank you, Ken. Thank you, Justin. Thank you, Nick. Nick Hill and Nick Nevada here tearing it up. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Again, this was a super last minute trip, and we're actually really stoked to have made it happen. Get some bangers for you guys. We're itching for this desert season to start. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Like, subscribe, share, and all that good stuff, and we'll see you guys around. Take care.